Big news out of Washington this noon, where the Supreme Court struck down most of President Trump's tariffs. In the 6-3 decision, justices said those tariffs are not allowed under the 1977 law International Emergency Economic Powers Act. Before President Trump, no president had ever used that act to tariff imports. It does not specifically mention tariffs. The Constitution assigns the power to set tariffs to Congress. So today's ruling leaves in place tariffs the president imposed on steel and aluminum using different laws, but it upends his country-by-country or reciprocal tariffs and a 25% tariff on some goods from Canada, China, and Mexico for what the administration said was their failure to curb the flow of fentanyl. We'll hear from Maine business owners who have been impacted by tariffs starting tonight on News Center Maine at 4. Also in Washington, an unexpected change of plans as Governor Janet Mills and a handful of other Democratic governors decided to attend the National Governors Association meeting at the White House just this morning. The NGA meeting happens every year at the White House. You might remember Governor Mills clashed with President Donald Trump during this event last year. Well, the gathering is traditionally bipartisan, but initially no Democratic governors were invited this year. President Trump later extended the invitation to most Democrats, citing what he called a misunderstanding in scheduling. The NGA pulled out of the meeting yesterday after the president excluded the governors of Colorado and Maryland. Before today's change of plans, Mills, who is running for U.S. Senate, said, quote, "It's become increasingly clear that the president is not serious about hosting a bipartisan meeting of the nation's governors or hearing their concerns," end quote. We have reached out to the governor's staff to ask why she changed her mind about going to the White House today. We have not yet heard back.